here, just having a moment, just relaxing. And the island over there, the birds started being quite frantic and making a lot of noise. And then we saw a splash in water, and then another splash, and then another splash, and then we saw a couple of splashes going up to about that point there, and then it disappeared. We think, well, it was either a seal, but seals tend to have a habit of bobbing their head up in the air, or a minke whale. Hello folks, so we're doing today the Brainport Heritage Trail. Apparently if you do this walk, there's a good chance you can see red squirrels and seals on the shoreline. So without the amount of luck we've had with animal spotting, chances are we'll not spot anything, but we'll give it a good try. So far on this walk, it's not the most used path, but it's very pretty, as you can see. At this time of year, it's very pretty. Love seeing all the flowers. Should be a walk all the way up here, and then we'll be heading down to the lock. The lock goes over the distance over there. Yeah, this is the path, sure. Right, run it. This is about right for this walk so far. It's overgrown and a proper old knackered bench. Beautiful views, but not the most exciting heritage trail, I've got to admit. Because there's no signposts, apart from the odd one telling you there's a heritage trail. It's an ancient monument over here. It's a solar flare. Call it a solar flare. Not a lot to it, folks. Solar alignment, stones, ancient monument. It's an ancient tree. Just seen something jump out of the water, or a fish, a bird went into the water, I'm not sure. I couldn't get down to it. Could only see it from a distance. Possibly could have been otters in the water. I'll have no way of knowing, because there's no clear way down to find out, unfortunately. Keep your eye out for it. What? Left of the buoy. Going away. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's in the middle of water. He's in the middle of the lock. Out here, just having a moment, just relaxing. And the island over there, the birds started being quite frantic and making a lot of noise. And then we saw a splash in water, and then another splash, and then another splash, and then we saw a couple of splashes going up to about that point there, and then it disappeared. We think, well, it was either a seal, but seals tend to have a habit of bobbing their head up in the air, or a minke whale. Can't see no splashes now though, so we don't know. Where it's gone. There, see him? It's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. Minke or dolphin? There, that's not. Or a minke. There. Oh, absolutely amazing. Oh, amazing, bizarre. Just seeing a seal or a dolphin in the water. So, I'm trying to track it now. Can't see it. So, I'm trying to track it now. Can't see it. Hiya, so we're not sure if it was a dolphin or porpoise, but whatever it was exciting to see, as you can tell from my reaction. So thank you very much for watching. This is the end of the upload. Please go and check out the gold members of the channel, and also please go and check out the playlist. I'd massively appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you again soon in the next one. Bye.